Holy shit!
The following message is transmitted at the request of Osceola County Emergency Management. Everett Fire Department is directing citizens and residents in the area of US 10 and 60th Avenue to avoid travel along US 10 near the area, and for residents within 1/2 mile of 60th Avenue and US 10 to leave their homes as a result of a fuel truck accident. A temporary reception center has been established at the Everett Housing Commission located at 601 West 1 St. Street in the city of Everett. Stay tuned to media sources such as local television, radio, and NOAA weather radio for further instructions and issuance of an all-clear message. Further information can be obtained by dialing to 11.
Holy shit!
This is the area.
An immediate evacuation.